Welcome to Madison Kipp Corporation. Madison Kipp has been around for over 115 years, valuing safety and quality above all else. Please pay attention to this short contractor safety video. This video and your company contact will outline our safety policies and procedures. When on the production floor, you must be wearing closed-toed shoes, natural fiber clothing, long pants, sleeves that cover the upper arm, and remove any jewelry that you might have. When working outside of any aisleways in the production area, you must have steel-toed shoes. You must also be wearing safety glasses and hearing protection whenever on the production floor. Mobile equipment is used throughout Madison Kipp Corporation. This includes forklifts, maintenance carts, and cranes that you must always be aware of. Molten aluminum is melted at our furnace area at over 1300 degrees. Pouring, and the furnace area in general, should be avoided. Ladle trucks then carry the molten aluminum to holding furnaces at each machine. A distance of at least 25 feet should be maintained from ladle trucks, especially when they're pouring. Moving parts, sharp objects, and many other operational hazards may be present when you're on the floor. Always assume that parts that are on the floor may be hot. Madison Kipp Corporation uses X-rays to ensure quality parts. These rooms are identified by X-ray signs, which will be lit when it's in use. Closed-top containers are not allowed on the production floor. Spillable containers are available if needed. Closed containers present a hazard when mixed with molten aluminum. Aluminum cans, in general, are not allowed at Madison Kipp at all. Our facilities are all tobacco-free inside any buildings. Each facility has its own specific smoking area that should be utilized. In the event of an emergency at Madison Kipp, you must respond immediately to the appropriate meeting location as described for your Madison Kipp contact. If you may be working at Madison Kipp Corporation unsupervised, please continue watching for more specific safety information. If not, always feel free to discuss any other questions, comments, concerns with your Madison Kipp company contact. The right personal protective equipment is very dependent on the task you're performing. Gloves are a great example of needing to select the proper equipment for the hazards faced.
You are required to be tied off in a lift whenever it is in operation, whether that be a scissor lift or a boom lift. A bump cap is also required when using a lift indoors.
Marking off the area that you're working in is an important way of keeping personnel away from your work area. All chemicals brought on site must have a proper safety data sheet along with them and be properly labeled. Primary containers for chemicals must have their original label on them. If secondary containers are used, Talk to your Madison Kipp contact about proper labeling requirements. Whenever working with any chemical, always be sure you understand the hazards and how to work with them safely. If you need to operate mobile equipment at Madison Kipp Corporation, you must be trained and competent on the equipment that you're using. If untrained by your employer or unsure on any equipment, immediately notify your Madison Kipp contact.
In general, chemicals that you bring on site should be taken off site by you, unless disposal is approved by your company contact.
When disposing of anything at Madison Kipp Corporation, ensure that it goes into the proper waste stream. For example, trash should be put to the trash, you should recycle whenever possible, and wastewater should be put into the proper wastewater bits. Other requirements likely exist depending on the work that you're doing, such as lockout tagout, confined space, electrical requirements, excavation, and many more. The Madison Kipp contact will explain these rules and guide your safe work at Madison Kipp. Madison Kipp strives for a healthy, safe, and friendly work environment. If you have an incident, please report it to your Madison Kipp contact. Otherwise, have a safe and wonderful day.